Morning students, in this class I will be doing class 9, 13th chapter, surface area and volume. Already 3 exercises I have completed. This is the 4th exercise. So in this exercise we will see about sphere and hemisphere. Total surface area of sphere and total surface area of hemisphere. Curved surface area of hemisphere. These 3 formulas we will be using in this. So for a sphere, sphere will be like this. So for this surface area, SA, surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. This is the surface area of the sphere. Then total surface area of a sphere, of a hemisphere. This is sphere, this one is hemisphere. Total surface of area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r square. So this is TSA of hemisphere. Then TSA of hemisphere is 3 pi r square and CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Okay, for total surface area of the hemisphere, we will be having this curved part and a flat surface, flat circular part in the above. So we will get two surfaces. So that is the total surface area, that is 3 pi r square, and curved surface area only this part. So that is 2 pi r square. For a sphere, we will be having only surface area, that is 4 pi r square. So these are the formulas we are going to use in this exercise 13.4. First question. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius 10.5, 5.6 and 14 centimeters. So these 3 sums are given. So we know that the surface area of the sphere formula is 4 pi r square. So we will apply that formula and find the surface area of a sphere with 3 different radius given. So first one is 10.5 centimeter. So surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. So this is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into r is given as 10.5. Since it is r square, 10.5 into 10.5. Then 7 with 7 and 10.5 when we simplify. 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. So when we multiply all these things, we will get the surface area of the sphere with radius 10.5. So 22 into 4 is 88. So 88 into 1.5. So 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40 plus 4, 44. Then 88, 0. So 132. So when we multiply these 3 numbers, we will get 132 into 10.5. So into 105. So 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6. Then 132. 132. So 60813. So this one 132 into 10.5. So after one decimal place, if you keep the decimal point, we will get the answer as 1386 centimeters square. So this is the surface area for the first one. Then, so surface area for this 5.6 centimeter is 4 pi r square. So 4 into 22 by 7 into radius is 5.6 into 5.6. Those 7 8s are 56. Okay, so 4 into 22 is 88 into 56 into 8 is 4.48. Then 4.48 into 88 we will get 394.24 centimeters square. Okay, so this is the surface area with radius 5.6. Then third sum is 14 centimeter. So 4 pi r square surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. So 4 into 22 by 7 into radius is given as 14 centimeter. Okay, then 7 2s are 14. So 4 into 22 is 88 into 28. So this is equal to 88 into 28. So 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 6 is 17. 8 2s are 16. Plus 1 17. So 4 6. So 2 4 6 4. So 2 4 6 4 centimeter square. So this is the surface area of a sphere with radius 14 centimeter. Okay. In summers, find the surface area of sphere of diameter. In the previous sum, radius it was given. So directly we have substituted. Here diameter is given. So first one is 14 centimeter. So surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. So that is 4 into 22 by 7 into. So this is given in diameter. So that is d is equal to 14 centimeter. So r is equal to 14 by 2 centimeter. So that we will substitute. 14 by 2 into 14 by 2. Okay. So here 2 2s are 4. This 4 we will cancel. 7 2s are 14. So 22 into 2 is 44. 44 into 14. So 44 into 14. 4 4s are 16. So 4 4. So 616 centimeter square. That's all. Then second one is diameter is given as 21 centimeter. So radius is equal to 21 by 2 centimeter. So surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. So that is 4 into 22 by 7 into r is given as 21 by 2. That is the radius. Okay. So 2 2s are 4 will get cancelled. 7 3s are 21. So 22 into 3 is 66 into 21. Okay. 22 into 3 is 66 into 21. So 66 132. So 1386. So this is equal to 1386 centimeter square. Okay. Then third one is 3.5 meter. D is equal to 3.5 meter. So R is equal to 3.5 by 2 meter. So surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. So 4 into 22 by 7 into radius is 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2. Okay. So 4, 2, 2 cancel, 7, 5s are 35. So 22 into 5 is 110, one decimal point is there. So 11 into 3.5. So 35 into 11 will be 35, 35. So 385. So 38.5 meter square. Since it is given in meter, unit is meter square. Sum is find the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter. So hemisphere will be like this. Like this. The radius of that is given as 10 centimeter. Radius is given as 10 centimeter. We are asked to find the total surface area, TSA. So total surface area of the hemisphere is 3 pi r square. So substituting, radius is given as 10 centimeter. So we will substitute r here. So 3 into pi, they are asking us to keep it as 3.14 into radius is 10 centimeter, 10 into 10. Okay, so when we multiply 3.14 into 10 into 10, we will get 314. So 3 into 314, 340. So 4 3s are 12. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, 942. So 314 into 3 is 942 centimeter square. Okay. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of the surface areas of the balloon in the two cases. So we are asked to find the surface area of the spherical balloons. One is of radius 7 centimeter, the other one is of radius 14 centimeter, and we are asked to find the ratio of their surface areas. Okay, So first we will find radius is equal to 7 centimeter and 14 centimeter. Since we are asked to compare the ratios. Okay. Therefore ratios. So we will take the first radius as R1 and the second radius as R2. R2 is 14 centimeter. So ratios when we are comparing, since it is surface area of the sphere, it is 4 pi R1 squared by 4 pi R2 squared. That's all. So this is the comparison of the two surface areas. So this is equal to 4 pi and 4 pi, we can cancel this, and R1 squared by R2 squared. So R1 is 7 centimeter. So 7 into 7 divided by R2 is 14 centimeter. So 14 into 40. That's all. Simplification, and we need to find the value. So 7 2s are 14 and 7 2s are 14. So this is equal to 1 by 4. So the ratio of the surface areas of the balloon in two cases is 1:4. So the ratio of the surface area of both the balloon in two cases is 1:4. Okay, clear? So everything is formula application, direct formula application sums only. Okay. So whatever, with this I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.